So everyone now is dropshipping on Etsy from AliExpress, and every YouTuber is complaining about how Etsy has changed. But from my experience, more competition means you just need to be better and better and better so that you can beat the competition. It seems like a lot of YouTubers started to say something like dropshipping killed Etsy and stuff like that, but it's not. It's still working, and I believe this is going to work for a very long time. I would say like more than 15 years, because selling will not stop. Okay, like dropshipping will be here for a very long time. Okay, so that's exactly why I said, okay, why not make a video showing people how to dropship correctly on Etsy from AliExpress. Now first I have to explain to you something. On Etsy you will not be able to sell, for example, digital, like for example products that are not handmade, like products from companies like Apple, Samsung, Lenovo, or any like big company. You cannot sell these products on Etsy because Etsy focuses more on handmade products. Okay, if that makes sense. I will explain that in just a few seconds. Now, for example, I will show you exactly what I mean. Now, when you are dropshipping products from AliExpress to Etsy, you first need to find custom products or handmade products on AliExpress in order for you to sell them on Etsy. That's the trick. Because if you just come to AliExpress, find a random product, let's say this product, for example, and you list it on your Etsy, you will get banned. Because obviously this is not a handmade product, okay? No one can make this at home. So, but if you list something like, let's say this one, it can be handmade. Okay, it's not something very hard to make. And let's say something like this one, it can be sold on Etsy. Of course, you can also, before selling anything, to avoid risks, you want to search for it on Etsy if other sellers are already selling it or not. Now in this case, this seller is selling this, but we can see if we can find this product on AliExpress or not before even selling it or not, or not on Etsy. Now I'm going to search for it. It seems like we have found the same product. Basically, it's the same, as you can see. He is also using the same images, right? He's literally dropshipping from AliExpress. And the thing is, he is selling this for 24 hours. And I'm sorry, $24. He's selling it for $24. And on AliExpress, it's only selling for $2, which is more profit. Okay, that's the advantage of dropshipping on Etsy, more profit compared to dropshipping on eBay. Okay, so it's the exact same thing. Now, does this mean we need to list this? The answer is yes, because first, it's already working on Etsy. People are already selling this on Etsy. As you can see, it's the same. Okay, the same product. Also the same length, the same colors, the same metal color, which is literally the same. Okay, now you can list this. You can also go to their store and check other listing he is selling, because clearly he is a dropshipper, because he literally uploaded the same pictures from AliExpress and he has sold this many times. Okay, like I would say thousands of times. Now I'm going to click on his username, okay, to check if he is selling other products or not. I'm going to click here on owned by Low, and this is going to take me to his store. Now this store will show me now every listing. Now it seems like he's importing this from AliExpress. All the products were imported from AliExpress. If you can just search for this, you will also find it on AliExpress. Now this thing will help you find other sellers. Now as you can see, this product clearly it's the same, like 100% the same. We can find other sellers that are dropshipping from AliExpress so that we can copy them and copy their successful products. Okay, like this one again, he's literally dropshipping the same, also the same seller. It's not the same seller, this is a different seller, but they are copying each other, because why not just duplicate what works and get rid of what doesn't work? You don't have to test everything from scratch to see if this product is a winning product or not. You can just come to Etsy and see if people are already selling it. that means it's a winning product, and we can just duplicate this and make it and then list it on our store. Very, very simple. Now, by the way, if you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know your questions. If you have like, if you are curious about anything, let me know in the comments. Now, if you don't understand anything in this video, I already made a more detailed video. Click the video in the screen and you will be able to see exactly from processing orders, shipping orders, how to dropship from Etsy, on Etsy from AliExpress. Okay, so click the video in the screen right now and make sure you drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.